Justin from Santa Fe has a poppin' pipe or two.
Yeah, well, his PVC pipes run over his bedroom, Tom. And Justin writes, I hear you talk about how water pipes expanding and contracting creates an intermittent popping noise in the attic. Well, I have this problem whenever we run the dishwasher. Tom, Justin asks, how do I alleviate this awful noise?
Actually, this is a great question with a bad answer.
Uh-oh.
When you build a home, a lot of people don't think about where the drain lines are going from the toilets, where the water lines are going into the sinks in the bathrooms. And if there are adjacent walls next to your bed where your head is, you're going to hear all this activity all the time. So you need to plan out where your pipes go. The only way you're going to get rid of that noise is to reroute your pipes in a different part of the house. They're not going to go away. Now, you can sometimes try to go up and strap them down a little bit if they're real loose. And that might help a little bit, but it's not going to be an end-all. The end-all is always moving the pipes away from where you want the quiet.
You probably want to put, if you're going to strap those down, wouldn't you want to put some sort of cushion in there to?
You can do
so
that,
it doesn't put it up against the.
As long as it's nice and it's PVC he had,
right?
So he can put them right against the joist of the ceiling. I don't know if you have access there. If there's a second floor above, you might not even be able to get to it. But sometimes they just lay that pipe out and it starts flopping around a little bit. So if you just put a few clips, keep it simple, it'll be okay because it's PVC. It won't rot.
Or hand wash your dishes.
Yeah, don't run the dishwasher when you go to bed.
There it is. Okay. All right. Got a question? We'd be happy to help you out. Just send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. By the way, look at these videos. We got lots of them, and that's why you should subscribe to our channel.